Okay, you guys, example 2, very similar to what we already did in example 1. Finding monthly payment, total of all payments, and then basically so that we can do that end game of finding total interest paid. This time, you're going to borrow $41,000 for 5 years at a rate of 6.5%. You guys, I'm going to go ahead and convert 6.5, divide by 100 ahead of time so that I can get 0.065 as my rate. It seemed to work better if I plug in my monthly payment formula over here. I'm just going to go ahead and write that out. Monthly payment. Oh my goodness. It never wants to be whatever color I want it to be. Here we go. We're just going to run with that. Principal amount is the $41,000 that you're borrowing. And we are going to put in the rate divided by 12. Today's rate is 6.5%, so 0.065 divided by 12. Beautiful. Denominator looks like 1 minus 1 plus. 1 minus parentheses 1 plus. No idea, guys. And then same thing, it's our nice little rate divided by 12 again. To the negative 12. Always negative 12 here, times your time value of 5. Okay, I'm going to type this in just like it looks. Oops, into Desmos here. And starting with my fraction, I have $41,000 is what I'm borrowing. 0.065 divided by 12. 1 minus parentheses 1 plus 0.065 divided by 12. Again, close those parentheses, and I'm raising it to the power of negative 12 times 5. Nothing crazy there. Typing it in just like it looks. And I am going to round to 2 decimal places. 0.212 is going to round to 21 cents. So 802.21. That's the monthly payment. Making sure I typed that right. And I did. Find the total of all payments. To find total of all payments, you guys, you are going to take your monthly payment, 802.21, and multiply it by 12. And the year value, which is 5. Going to Desmos. 802.21. I am going to retype that times 12 times 5. Over the life of the loan, you're going to pay $48,132, and then 0.6 is understood to be 0.60, so that's 60 cents. 48,132. And I'm going to go ahead and write that out as 60 cents. If you leave off the 0, I'm not going to count it out. Okay, that's the total of all payments. So when we want to find total interest paid, really easy. We're going to take the total of all payments and subtract the original loan amount. And the original loan amount for this loan or this example was $41,000. So go back to Desmos, and right where you typed in to find your total of all payments, you can take that amount and subtract your original loan, $41,000. And so it looks like over this 5 years at this interest rate, you are paying the bank interest in the amount of $7,132.60. Okay, so on today's stuff, all we're doing, monthly payment by plugging into the formula. Don't forget to convert the rate. Find the total of all payments, multiply by 12 and however many years there are. And then find the total interest paid by subtracting that amount with the original loan amount. Whoops, sorry. I made that really ugly. That is 7132.60.